Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix proximity sensor on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. A proximity sensor's job is to detect when you are close to your phone and modify the response. As a result, actions can be taken as a result, such as turning off the display when you hold your phone up to your ear or lighting up the screen when you look at it. It also scans your facial characteristics, so you may unlock your phone. If the proximity sensor on your phone stops working, face unlocking or pocket dialing may not operate. Here are some fixes you could try out to get it working back again. The first thing to do is to make sure you clean the dirt and dust near your sensor on your Android phone. Next, try updating your phone to the latest software. Go to the settings button from your app drawer and tap it open. From your settings menu, scroll down and tap on software update. Tap on download and install button on the top of the screen. And if there is any software updates available for your Android phone, go ahead and check on it. If there is an update available, update to the latest version. And this might help you solve your issue. The next thing to do is to use an application to recalibrate your device's proximity sensor. Go and tap open your Play Store and search for proximity sensor and search. Look for this proximity sensor reset/fix application and install it on your Android device. Once you install the application, tap on open to launch the app open. Now tap on the fix it button and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now clean the proximity sensor location and tap on the next arrow button at the bottom right. Follow the instructions as it shows on the screen. Tap on the OK button in the pop-up, and recalibrating your sensors can help them run properly on your Android device. Doing this might help fix your issue. If it still does not, the next thing to do is to reset your device. Before resetting your device, make sure to back up your Android device properly. Navigate to the settings button from the app drawer and from the settings menu, tap on accounts and backup. Tap on backup and restore option. Now select backup account option. Select an account you would like to backup on and select turn on option at the bottom right. Once you back up your data, go back and tap on the reset button. From this page, tap on factory data reset. All the data that has been listed on the screen will be erased from your phone. Scroll all the way down and tap on reset in order to reset your Android device. Once you make this change, you might be able to fix your proximity sensor on your Android device. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever your proximity sensor is not working on your Android. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.